So yesterday, day before yesterday, we discussed about Moles-Hartley experiment. Today we shall discuss about oxygen is produced during photosynthesis in presence of sunlight. That means we will always say that during photosynthesis, every green plant, every green plant will produce oxygen. Can we prove that? Yes, by this activity. So for this, what we need to do means two apparatus we need to prepare. Two apparatus means here any glass materials or any individual requirements or equipment, if we arrange to one whole setup, it is called as an apparatus. So that means apparatus means here it consists of individual components. So as you can see here, as in case of hydrolysis experiment, we are collecting some important requirements here. First one, we need to take a beaker filled with water. So how many setups we are preparing here? Two. That means two apparatus we are preparing. One we will put under sunlight, one we will put in the dark. So here first one will just take a beaker and water, and then in this we will introduce hydrilla plant. So here we can use hydrilla or elodia or pistia or ecornia. These plants we can use. In one SSC exam they asked about uh, can we replace hydrilla plant with any other plant. Yes, we can replace. If hydrilla plants are not there, we can replace with elodia or pistia or ecornia. And then what we need to do here means twigs will be there. So just a minute, I will rub this entire one. So here we will discuss now. So in case of hydrol plant, we will be having twigs here. Small twigs will be there. So that twigs like a tamarind tree. You can know no tamarind tree leaflets. So like this will be there. So we need to collect that few like 5, 10, 15 like that, and we need to put at the base of the beaker. And then what we need to do means here a funnel we need to take, a glass funnel we need to take. That funnel must be inverted. We need to use an inverted funnel. Inverted funnel means here usually we will use a funnel in a manner of reverted, but here we will use it as a inverter, an inverted form. So why? Because total the gas which is collected by this plant during photosynthesis will directly ascend towards this small portion. So that is the thing. So first what we have taken, a beaker we have taken and filled with water. Then we have taken hydrilla plant, twigs only, not total plant, twigs. Then we have taken a funnel which is inverted, and then we will put a test tube which is reverted again back. That means upside down, not downside up. The downside will be in the up. So like this. Why? Because the gas total will be accumulated in some region. And now this whole setup we need to put over sunlight. Like this we need to prepare one more setup, we need to put in dark. So how many setups will be there here? One in sunlight, and the next one it is in dark region. So why we need to put in a dark region here? First we will be making about photosynthesis. So oxygen will be produced during photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. So whether it performs in the sunlight or not, to mention that we will put one apparatus under sunlight and one under dark. Then we will wait for 2 to 3 hours. So after 2 to 3 hours, what will happen here? Slowly you will be seeing bubble formation. Bubble formation will be seen. So these small bubbles, what it will do, it will ascend into the test tube and will be collected in the empty space. Then what we need to do after 2 to 3 hours? Then slowly this test tube we need to take to other region, and we need to first only burn mastic. Then we need to bring this test tube to the near region of the match stick, glowing matchstick. Then what will happen? This gas will make the brightness of this fire to increase. That means it glows more. It will glow double, or it shows brightness, double brightness. So how can this be possible? That means in this world only oxygen gas will have that capacity to make this fire to burn. By this we can understand that oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. So remember these requirements, and again the process, how many apparatus we need to prepare in sunlight and when in dark. After 2 to 3 hours we will bring to the matchstick. Then this matchstick, glowing matchstick, will glow into double.